Hi, I'm Jerry Gibbs, and today I'd like to introduce you to this range of dehumidifiers from Ecor Pro.
In this application, we've used the DH1200 dehumidifier. And people have in the past thought we could use the DH800 dehumidifier. And whilst that's a great dehumidifier, it's of smaller capacity, and there are two problems with that. Firstly, it can't deal with the building volume that we're currently working with. And secondly, it doesn't have the outlet flange, and we really need the outlet flange in order to put the ducting on to take the air into the affected bedrooms.